Hello, this is my 12th video and I will talk about manufacturing processes. And these are my notes. What is important in this ring? Okay, in the ring we have like steps to improve a process. And the first one is to evaluate the impact that could have the changes in the process. To this, you can use the tool that is the impact effort matrix. This is to evaluate the most impact by the less cost or effect. This is what is the change that you can apply that is the with the lowest cost, and has the most impact in the process. Then the second is to develop processes maps based on the solutions. What is this? This is to delay the reworking, the times out, and the waste of the process. And you organize all the steps in the process and you get a to-be map. This is called a to-be map. Then the next step is to check the possible solutions. For this, they can use the PDCA or the Plan, Do, Check, Act to get information from the stakeholders. This is, you have all the solutions and then you can use this tool to analyze what the stakeholders said about it. Then is to analyze the possible impact of the changes. For this you can use the FMEA or failure modes and effect analysis tool. This is to analyze what will be the impact that every change in the process that you will apply to the process, what is the impact that has on the processes. Then we have to create an implementation plan. This is to run a pilot before the implementation. This is obviously to guarantee that the changes will work. I mean, you don't have to apply it and then check if the changes would work. You can use it before and with a lower cost, and you don't put the process in risk. And the last one is after the implementation, they can recollect or collect the data to analyze the results if it are better or not, and then you can recognize all the team about what they did right and what they did wrong. And for the next processes, you can repeat all these steps because these steps are for all the processes and you can improve all the processes. Also, which are the tools to improve manufacturing processes? I said someone, the impact effect matrix, the PDCA, the FMEA, also the 5S, the work self-design, the setup reduction, and the canvas. These are some of the tools. And what don't you understand? I think that I understand almost everything, so I don't have problems. And what do you want to know more about? I think that I will see it in the class. Thank you.